Hi, I'm Harish Tchib, Vice President for Sales for Middle East and Africa market for Sofos. And thank you so much for coming and having a conversation with
Thank
us.
you, Harish. Thank you. First of all, we did it about Jitex 25. What about your team, the main aim of this is in share in Jitex Global? What is your
Main goal?
Yes.
Right, so we are, Jitex is very prominent event for us every year. And this year what we are doing is we are demonstrating our NDR leadership. We are a pure play cybersecurity vendor, and we are making sure that customers, partners, our ecosystem are able to see our AI-driven NDR, understanding on the NDR services. That's number one. And second, we are also investing locally in the region. So what we are, launching is our UAE local data center over here. So that customers, those who want data sovereignty and want localization of the data, they can adopt to our product and services without having any compliance issues. So sovereignty, data sovereignty is also what we have announced in Jitex.
Yes. As you know, the cybersecurity is the main challenge for a lot of companies, especially in Middle East. Can you tell your vision to how to help this company to how can they get this challenge?
So you're right. Like cybersecurity is becoming a challenge for multiple reasons. One is the digital transformation of the country or the region. I would say Middle East Africa is happening so fast. Like businesses are moving on to cloud. The way of communication is changing quite fast, and then we don't have sufficient talent of cybersecurity skilled people in country, in region also. That's another challenge. And third is countries are growing, so maybe why don't we try to get some ransom from this particular country? So what we have done is we follow I would say a complete security life cycle, which starts from identify, detect, protect, and respond. So making sure that that's our strategy. So we have to, we always talk to our customers that we should be able to identify our gaps. We should be able to have understanding that before anybody else tries to explore and try to attack you, you should do your own risk management, what you call security posture analysis, to understand what are your open gaps, vulnerabilities, what happens if something goes wrong, and prepared to handle that. So that's a part of our identify. Then what we have is prevent, or you can say protect. So we put what we have is our endpoint, our network products, we have our email security, we have wireless products. So we provide entire security coverage through our central platform called Sofos Central. So all the unification of all different security controls is happening. So that's what we do. So then after prevent, we say detect. So you should be able to detect whether an incident is about to happen or there is some threat which you are able to see. And finally, if forbidden, if something happens, you should be able to respond and recover from that. So that is where, and we have everything which encompasses this particular life cycle of security.
As you know, everybody now speak about AI.
Yes.
Can you tell me what is the vision for use AI, especially in cybersecurity?
Sofos adopted AI in 2017. So we were very first adoption of AI, which we started integrating in our endpoint products. So it's already there since I would say 6-7 years that we are using AI in our products. So our central platform is also AI driven. So we already have AI native central platform available for our particular customers and partners as well. Plus what we are also doing is in our managed, what we call NDR or XDR interface that we provide to our customers, there are AI enabled tools which you can, as a normal what you do in ChatGPT, you write a prompt that I need this help. So you can go into our interface and say that identify if there is any vulnerabilities of XX kind of stuff in my network. So our AI agent will do that particular understanding will do the checks and will come up and will provide you that these are the open vulnerabilities or challenges I've already found. So AI, we have started integrating in all different product and services. Already.
I know Sufis is really interested to exit in very important in the main region, especially Middle East and Egypt. Can you tell us what is your strategy?
Egypt?
Yes.
Certainly. So Egypt is, a very growing economy in terms of its needs and demands are ever growing. Like it's really, really growing fast in terms of digital adoption as well. So what we have done is we have invested in our local team in country. So we have our technical team, we have our in-country sales team, we have in-country now, I would say, distribution network, our channel partners. So the first thing that we are doing is doing a technical enablement of our ecosystem in the region to make them understand that why, the complete security lifecycle which I talked about is very important. So that messaging or that understanding, we are making sure entire ecosystem understands that. So that is number one. Second, with investment in region data center, Egypt will also get benefit because it will have less the latency will be less and the speed will improve in terms of availability of our platform to Egypt partners and customers itself. So we are fully committed, and we have also been doing a lot of customer roundtables to make customers aware that what kind of resiliency that they should build towards their security framework for the protection itself.
Finally, depending your experience in the region, what is the main challenge you expect about cyber security?
So I would say the government in a lot of Middle Eastern and African countries have taken a very good step of formalizing the policy and framework for cyber security. So that is quite happening very strongly. We as vendors, we are aligning to that particular strategy to make sure that we are able to take care of customer requirements as per the security framework, which are the guidelines which have been set by the governments of many countries. So that is number one. Number two, what we are also looking is, as our region is being very much prone to cyber attacks. These attacks are not only from individual organizations, but these attacks are also from state actors are there involved at a different country level. Organizations are getting involved into this kind of espionage happening. So we as a company, what we are doing is with our SecureWorks integration, we have our threat intelligence that Sofos already had, plus we have SecureWorks CTU, which is a counter threat intelligence unit. We have integrated to create, I would say, a much bigger threat intel, which we normally share with our customers and partners through our product and services. So that is another thing that what we are really excited to demonstrate. And with SecureWorks integration, we have exposure to large enterprise customers, where we would like to provide them our different portfolio services as well. So quite happy and excited about what we can offer and the challenges that they have. The another challenge what we are seeing is due to less number of skill sets, I would say reduced skill set and limited budgets, customers need an additional level of monitoring to be done on their networks or their assets. So that is where we are providing our managed detection and response services to I would say enterprise customers as well as mid-market customers. So we are quite happy to extend our advisory services, our identity detection and response services, and our managed detection and response services to partners and customers globally in the regions.
Thank you for this.